In class 11th accounts, we are on chapter number 5, that is trial balance. And yesterday I gave you the detailed format of trial balance. Now today we are going to make trial balance. And the first of all, yesterday I explained you the complete format of trial balance. Yatharth, am I audible? So trial balance means putting the accounts in the summarized form to check the accuracy of accounts. Means yesterday I explained you the process of accounting system, then how to make the trial balance. The complete format I gave you. Now today I am going to show you all these things through PPTs. What are the benefits of making trial balance? What is the meaning of trial balance? There are various ways to make the trial balance. So first of all, my dear children, today please note down the theory of this chapter, that is meaning of trial balance. Is it visible? Okay. Now see. Trial balance is a statement showing the balances or totals of debit and credits or both. Yesterday I told you there are 3 ways to prepare the trial balance. You can make it through balances, you can make it through totals, or both total and balances. And all the ledger accounts with a view to verify the arithmetical accuracy of posting into the ledger accounts. It means trial balance shows or verifies the arithmetical accuracy up to a limit. Still there may be some problems, but trial balance is a statement showing the balances or totals of debits and credits in the ledger with a view to verify the arithmetical accuracy of posting into the ledger account. Yesterday I told you that after general ledger trial balance, then with the help of trial balance, 3 accounts to be made, that is trading, P&L and balance sheet. So the trial balance is a proof or trial balance verifies that there is arithmetical accuracy in the ledger. If the total of both the sides match, then we can say the system is perfect. Still, if there is some difference, then we can put that difference in suspense account, and then afterwards we will do rectification of errors. Now see, objectives of preparing the trial balance, aims of preparing the trial balance, need of preparation of trial balance, importance of trial balance, why to make the trial balance, reasons to prepare the trial balance. First, okay, so in exam we can give you the question in various languages: objective, aim, need of trial balance. First, importance: to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts. Trial balance is the list of accounts and their balances. Total of debit balance must be equal to total of credit balance. It ensures that all debits and all credits have been properly recorded. So trial balance gives us the arithmetical accuracy of ledger account. It gives us assurance that up to here your work is perfect without errors. It ensures that all the debits balances and all the credit balances are properly recorded. If the total of trial balance matched, you can be ensured. Or next, to help in locating the errors. Now, just now I told you, if the total of debit and credit columns are not equal, not matched, then what to do? It means there is some error. If the total of debit and credit is not equal, then it is showing that there is some mistake in general, in ledger, in subsidiary books. See, maybe the totaling is wrong, maybe the carry forward is wrong, maybe the posting is wrong, maybe the account balancing is wrong, and at last, maybe the total will be wrong. So we can say that trial balance is helpful in locating the errors, but still some errors may be there. So if the total of trial balance is not matched, then we can see that there is some mistake. Mac Bajaj, have you copied down? Show me your copy. Why you are not writing the details which I am telling you? These slides we made for you to note down the notes in the summarized way, because in the books it is given in little bit tricky and complicated language. That's why we made the slides. Trial balance is helpful in locating the errors. See, my dear children, we have limited memory. Up to exam, you cannot learn that or you cannot remember that. That's why we are giving you notes to make or note down in your notebook. What are the, Himang, show me your copy. What are the causes of errors? Show me your copy, Himang. What are the causes of errors? You have not written this slide, my dear. Please note down. And Hima, note down all the details. No, you have not written this. See, total of subsidiary books may be wrong. Posting may be wrong. These are the errors that may be there in your accounts. That's why your total will not be matched. So trial balance is helpful for us to locate the errors. We can find out the errors with the preparation of trial balance. Maybe, see, if the total of debit side is not equal to credit side, it means there is some error. And the errors are of following types. Maybe in the subsidiary books, maybe from general to ledger, maybe in the balancing or totaling of account, maybe in carry forward, or the total of trial balance may be wrong. This may also be a reason. Tanish Malik, please switch your video on. Tanish Malik. Then third is, Tanish Malik, please don't switch off your videos. Frequently you are doing that, Vijay. Third is, why we prepare trial balance. Trial balance is helpful in preparation of the financial statements. Financial statements means trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So trial balance is a link. Akshay, please copy. Trial balance is a link between accounting records and the preparation of financial statements. See, you can get this point in fill in the blank dash is a link. Trial balance is a link between accounting records and the preparation of financial statements. Tally trial balance is the first step in the preparation of financial statements. If the total of trial balance is matched, it means now we can start preparation of financial statements like trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. So, if we want to make trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet of the organization, means financial final accounts or financial statements, then first is we have trial balance. So trial balance is a link between all recording accounts and the financial statements, which shows us true financial position. Balance sheet shows us the value of asset and value of liabilities. Trading account shows us gross profit. Profit and loss account gives us net profit or net loss. And all these financial statements or final accounts are to be prepared with the help of trial balance only. That's why trial balance is the first step. It is the link between prior work and after work. So my dear children, if we want to make the financial statements, we must have tally trial balance. Tally trial balance means the total of debit must be equal to total of credit. So today, just now I told you what are the importance of preparing the trial balance. First is to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy, to help in locating the errors, to help in the preparation of the financial statements. Now the next topic, how to prepare. That was the answer, why to prepare. Now the question is how to prepare the trial balance. Steps in the preparation of the trial balance. What are the steps in the preparation of the trial balance? How to prepare a trial balance. First step, ascertain the balances of each account in the ledger. This is the first step. First step means, first of all, find out the balances of each account in the ledger. Only red line you have to copy. And I already explained you how to find out the balances. Total of debit minus total of credit. The balancing figure is balance carried down or balance carried forward. See, the balance may be in debit side or may be in credit side. It depends on the total. If the total of debit side is more than total of credit side, the balance will be in credit side. And maybe the total of credit side is more than total of debit side, then here this side you will write the balance of account balance CD. CD means carried down to next month or next year. Carry forward can be used in that place. So first step is ascertain the balances of each account. Now second step, list each account and place its balance in the debit or credit column as the case may be. Like all assets have debit balance, all liabilities have credit balance, all expenditures have debit balance, all income and gains have credit balance. Yesterday I explained you the format of trial balance. So you will put the balance as the case may be. If the balance is in debit, then you put it into the debit side. All assets have debit balance, all liabilities have credit balance, all expenditures have debit balance, all income and gain have credit balance. So the second step is list each account and place its balance in the debit or credit column as the case may be. Yesterday I told you that purchase account and sales return account also to be entered in debit side because they always have debit balance. Sales and purchase return to be entered in credit side because sales and purchase return always have credit balances. Then compute the total of debit balances column. Total of debit balances column. Anand Singhvi, please copy the notes. Third step, total of debit balances column. Fourth step, compute the total of credit balances column. First total the debit side, then total the credit side. Now see, verify that the sum of the debit balances equal the sum of credit balances. Verify that the sum of the debit balances equal the sum of credit balances. See, you can make the format: capital in credit side, all asset in debit side, all liabilities in credit side, all expenditure in debit, all income and gain in credit. Total of that side should be matched. Both the sides should be matched. So just now we prepare the trial balance. First step, find out the balances. Second step, list them. Third, total the debit side. Fourth, total of credit side. Fifth, verify that these totals should be same. If the totals are not same, then open the suspense account Put the difference in suspense account and find out the errors. This is the format of trial balance. This is the format of trial balance. Capital in credit, asset debit, liabilities credit, expenses debit, income credit. Noel John, show me your copy, beta. Noel John and Himang, please show me your copy. Please make the format. Tanishq Malik, make the format. Noel John, show me your copy, beta. Now there are various ways of preparation of trial balance. First is total method. You can write here methods of preparation of trial balance. First is total method. Total method. Just note down the names only. Second is balance method, which I have explained you. This method we will use in accounting system. This is the balance method which I explained you just now. And third is total and balance method both. Total and balance method both. This is the third method. In this method, total given as well as balances also given. This way. 4 columns. Totals given, balances given. But in your course for class 11, only the balance method is in your course. Now, today I am going to explain you again what we have completed. Meaning of trial balance. First of all, you should learn this word. This is a statement, not an account, not an final account. It is a statement. It shows mathematical accuracy. There are various uses, aim, objectives or importance of preparation of trial balance. First is to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy. Second, to help in the locating errors and to help in the preparation of financial statements. Then the steps in the preparation: first, find out the balances. Second, list all the balances. Third, total the debit side. Fourth, total the credit side. Fifth, verify that the total of debit is equal to credit. This is the format. There are 3 ways of preparation of trial balance: total method, balance method. My dear children, in class 11th you will have balance method. That's why yesterday and today I gave you the method and explained by the balancing method. And third is total and balance method both. 4 columns will be there. Okay, and if the trial balance matched, it means all the accounting system is correct and there is no error. But still, it is not an absolute proof of accuracy. some errors are maybe there. So today we completed trial balance.